Okay. Hi guys, into the wild. So I actually brought some food for you, fellow. Hey, oh my gosh, we're kissing already. We just met. Oh yeah, he's scratching his bum, Lovey. Look. So it's good to come bearing gifts.
Hello.
Hey, very good. Okay. You didn't even chew your banana.
Yeah.
Give to the other one. Here you go. Here you go. Okay, fine. I know I can't. Oh, love you. Where's the banana? I'm sorry, little fellow. I'm sorry, I don't have it. Oh, it's blowing on my face. I'm gonna go ahead. Oh my gosh, I'm right behind the bum. That's not a good idea to be right behind the bum. Well, ooh, we're gonna get splat here.
Crown.
Oh, crown, yes. Okay. Thank you very much. I hope the... Oh my god, he's so close to me.
They're all girls.
I mean, that's okay, but like, yeah.
They follow elephant.
They say we're so slow, that's why they're going ahead of us. This table is not for us. It looks like we're sharing with another group, huh? I mean the space anyway. But we're the only ones with Dutch there. But there's a lot of people before us.
You can leave your bag belonging on
Okay.
the table.
Sure.
And we have toilet over there.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Eddie, this table better. This one for half day group. Yeah.
That's a different crew. Oops, can I...
Can go yeah.
Oh.
Long yes, okay.
Hi guys. Alright, what a nice view of the entire place. Into the wild. And we have some hammocks here if you want to chill out. And the thing is, I actually brought some food for you, fellow. Hey, oh my gosh, we're kissing already. We just met. We're kissing already. We just met. Why? He likes the smell of my breath because I had a fisherman mint. Hey, you. Where? I didn't come to see you. I came to see elephants. I came to see elephants. Why are you so friendly, so cutie? Oh, there's one over there walking here. Maybe we should give him some bananas. Can I give the elephant a banana? There's one right there. Hey guys. What's he doing scratching his bum? I think this is their pooing bit under us. Oh yeah, he's scratching his bum, Lovey, look. Scratching his bum, so cute. Did he even scratching his bum? Ooh. Banana? Do they eat banana?
I think we did.
No banana? Anything? Oh, let's get a banana. Okay, good. We got a banana for them. Or not a banana. We got a whole bunch of bananas for them. Good thing we got some bananas for the elephants. Let's get these. Oh, Eddie tied this very well. See, Lovey, they eat anything. It's always good to come bearing. It's always good to come bearing gifts. Very Filipino, what Eddie said. Do we have to peel it? I wonder. Here you go.
I think we do it later anyway.
Oh no, he said we can feed them. I want to feed one. Hey guys.
Now.
All right.
Tala, go.
All right. Let's see.
Hello.
Come on, guys.
You take it like one.
One whole, or do I peel it?
The few they can eat with it.
Oh, hi guy. Hello. Here you go. Here. Here.
You smell it.
Yay. Okay, another one. That's it. You eat. Oh my gosh, you eat so fast. You eat so fast. Here you go. Okay. You didn't even chew your banana. Okay, what's more? Okay, wait. That's a lot of bananas already. Wait. Oh, you blew in my face. He's like, you're so slow. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Hey, very good. Yummy. Another one already? Oh, you have to bow first. Wait. Oh, he's oh, wait. I know, I'm trying to give to the other one. Here you go. Here you go. Okay, fine. I know, I can't. I love you. Where's the banana? I'm sorry, little fellow. I'm sorry, I don't have it. Oh, it's blowing on my face. Oh my goodness.
Remember, they remember.
I'm sorry, little fellow. I don't have any more. Fluffy, I want the banana. Ooh. Likes it. Hi, here you go. Yummy. Some more. Oh my gosh. So we should have bought a whole bunch of bananas, Lovey. Oh, one whole banana, a bunch of bananas is finished in 5 minutes or less. See? Should have bought 10. Sorry, fella. We'll buy more bananas next time. Oh, Lovey's hungry. Okay.
What's the aim?
Here. Okay.
Filipino.
Aww.
Same something.
Okay, fine. Oh my god, we only have 4 left. I'm sorry, guys. Later. I'll give you later. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. Oh, you should have brought more bananas. Oh, I know, want more banana. Okay. Oh man, I wish I bought more banana. The lashes is so long. Hi. Very, very long eyelashes.
Yeah, many people pay money to have long one,
Oh
right?
yeah.
But it's so lucky.
Extensions. It's so pretty.
You don't need to wash your hands.
Oh, right there.
You do need to wash
Can
your
wash your
hands
hand right
first.
there. Yeah.
Well, right. So
Banana for you.
I know.
to
I
give
also
to them.
bought my
Oh, you
own,
bought
but
some,
it's
right?
too little. I should have
Oh,
bought
I
more.
see.
They
It's
eat
okay,
so
but
fast.
thank you a lot.
Yeah. They eat so fast. So this whole place is open there, and then there's like a divider there where we can feed them. But basically, we're inside the divider, and they have the whole space. Funny, we're meant to wash our hands. We've been feeding them kanina pa. Okay.
Grab banana from the
Oh, loads of bananas. Okay, let's not forget my hat.
together because the elephant if we pick the
Oh, they're so
only give one,
excited. Hello.
like a diarrhea.
Alright.
If we this one get better.
Yeah. Okay, guys, have some bananas.
banana.
Get a banana. One basket. Oh my gosh, imagine. This basket is like peanuts for them. They eat so much. Hey, guys. Okay. Do you know how to get your own banana? You know how to get your own banana? Sorry. Here you go. Here you go. Yay. Okay. Another one. I'm so slow. Okay, here's another one. Okay. Yay. Okay, wait a minute. Gosh, you're eating so fast. You're so fast. Here. I want to give you one. Okay. You're welcome. You're welcome. Oh my goodness. Well, basically, I'm gonna put the camera down. So. Oh, okay. Oh, thank you very much. Okay, thank you. All right. It's already recording that. Okay. We're gonna go on a little trail.
These are the guys that work with them. The
Mm.
mammoths. I think they're called mammoths.
Oh, okay. Mammoths. Right, so this is gonna be about an hour walk. So I'm so hassled to wear an umbrella or to bring one. To use an umbrella. So I'm just long sleeves and my hat and Eddie's enjoying the sun.
I didn't put on any sun cream.
Oh, you should have put. Oh, you wanna go back? Lovey, we should. I don't have foodie woody.
You seem more okay with. You seem more okay with elephants and horses.
Who, me? Yeah. Oh no, there's a big one behind me. I'm gonna go ahead. Oh my gosh, I'm right behind the bum. That's not a good idea to be right behind the bum. Well, so we're gonna go on a little walk, and I forgot to mention that the elephants will be with us. You have to give it food. Oh, another one there. Hey, yeah. What if they don't want to walk anymore? Lover. Lover. Oh, thank you. Little trail. Oh, another one's decided to come with us. A third one. Ooh, into the wild. And that's the name of our group right now. Didn't even realize right behind us there are two more biggins. Hello, guys. Yeah, they're just strolling along with us, and should have really brought more food. That's the only thing I'm thinking about. Two more. Oop. Are these makahiya?
Yeah.
Oops. Oh yeah, they're makahiya. These are the plants that close. We get them in the Philippines.
Right behind you.
Hey guys. Yeah.
Makihiya.
Makahiya, we close. Hey guys.
Shy.
Oh my.
Herb. Oh, okay.
Yeah, the root we can.
For us. So.
For us.
Can look like food for.
Oops. Who's making that? Oh, what's the poo?
Okay.
Oh.
Laughing.
Is that laughing? I don't know.
Really?
Yeah. Can you laugh?
Okay. Well.
I know,
Oh, that's a fart.
I don't have to get toilet humor.
Okay, well, there's one right behind us. Is that okay?
No.
The big one's so calm.
Hello, Biggin.
Little one sometimes they block the way.
Oh, reverse.
Oy.
Okay, we just crashed back.
Oh. 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 Very big ones. They're almost like.
Like brush.
Don't need to get out of the way.
You are like a
Oh,
crown.
crown. Yes. Okay.
Eh.
Thank you very much. I hope the. Oh my god, he's so close to me. Dad.
They're all girls.
I mean, that's okay, but like, yeah.
We follow elephant.
They say we're so slow. That's why they're going ahead of us. Sorry, guys. Boom. Alright, I don't know how I look like, but here's my fern crown. Fern shada. It's called a fern shada. Oh. Okay. Da-da-da-dun. Okay, guys. Research why they make those sounds.
Yeah, they're so laughing.
No, that are not 4x4.
Alright. Okay.
I think I'm okay.
We're the entertainers.
Oh, I'm okay.
What's happening? What? Hey. Hi.
Cuddle the elephant one.
Cuddle?
Yeah.
Like how?
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
that's okay.
That cloth. Yeah.
Aww.
Get together.
Hi. Hi.
For
You're
you,
so
you
nice. You're so nice.
have. Yeah.
Mm. Oop. You're very, very nice. Oh, so friendly. Ooh, likes to eat.
One name Mokhe. She named Mokhe.
Oh.
You did get one. See the biggest one.
It's just kind of fun watching them eat. It's so therapeutic. Okay. Everyone else is like nibbling. You wanna hug her while she's eating? Look at that, it's a mud bath. It's a mud bath. Well, ooh. There's a lot of, ooh, they're all there. Ooh, we're gonna get splat here. Good fun mud bath. Wee.
Sometimes be careful. You get mud. Dead.
Yeah, you're gonna get splashed. Flappity flap. Wee.